Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are starting with OpenAI incident response playbook. What exactly it is, how it works, and what are the advantages we are going to get once we integrate OpenAI with Microsoft Sentinel. So basically, it's for incident enrichment. Taking your incident handling process to the next level, leveraging this uh, like capabilities of Azure OpenAI to automate some certain aspect of the incident investigation process. So basically what it does, it follows certain signals, like whenever there is an incident, uh, it is going to run that particular playbook, and it is going to add some task for you, that like whatever SOC guys are working on those particular incident. It can give you an insight that what exactly needs to be done for investigating that particular incident. So basically that's how it helps us, that providing the guidance and mechanism to investigate that particular incident by adding some tasks to it with the particular KQL query which is suggested to investigate that particular incident. So it is very helpful for any particular SOC person who is sitting and investigating all those incidents, and maybe your L1 team, L2 team, who are not that much aware about the incident handling process. It can give a very good idea about the steps they need to follow, or what kind of a query they can run, what are the recommendation they should take to investigate that particular incident. So basically that's all been done based on a playbook. Again, we are aware about playbook. It is a sore part of Microsoft Sentinel, where some kind of automation or automated tasks can be performed based on the certain incidents. So that's the part we are utilizing here with Azure OpenAI. Let me quickly show you the structure of that particular playbook. So if you see this particular screenshot, so Microsoft Sentinel incident is the trigger. So whenever there will be a Microsoft Sentinel incident in Microsoft Sentinel portal, this playbook will trigger. The second step is Azure OpenAI URL, the endpoint URL which we discussed in last video, that from where we can get Azure OpenAI URL. We need to put it here. I will show you how you need to make that particular URL in a certain format. Again, similarly, the third step to put the API key, which we already discussed, where we can find that particular API key. Once that connection, that authorization is done, it moves to incident response questions, like add comment on TTP. So basically TTP are very famous acronyms for tactics, techniques, and procedures. So basically these are to identify hacker tactics or adversary tactics, that what kind of a tool, techniques, and procedures they are utilizing. So based on that, it adds the comment and task, that what are the certain action you can take. Similarly, another thing, what it does, in the middle you can see it suggests some KQL queries based on the incident, that whatever KQL queries must may be used on that particular incident. That's the second thing it does. And again, in task, it also adds information about MITRE framework tactics. So as we all know that like every alerts, every alert, or every incident in Microsoft Sentinel is mapped to one or more MITRE framework tactics. So what it does, it explains those Microsoft sorry, MITRE framework tactics within your incident uh, portal. So basically, this is what it does to enrich your incident handling experience by adding some recommendations, some steps, some KQL queries, explaining MITRE tactics, where you can identify on which stage the hacker is in right now. So this is basically what it does. So just wanted to give you an idea about the theoretical process, what exactly it does, and how it is useful. On our next video, we will see all those things in action, how we can deploy this particular playbook, how we can run that particular playbook, and uh, we are going to see how we can create an automation rule that It will be run on each and every incident, and we'll also be going to see the results that are going to produce as a SOC analyst. So okay, I will see you on to the next video. Thank you so much for watching.